Hi, honey, I'm home.
A family is considered to be a group of two or more individuals that share common residency and familial associations such as genetic, adoptive, or matrimonial relations. There are a vast amount of familial configurations worldwide, spanning from simple to complex. These particular structures have transformed over time between various cultures and ethnicities due to changing social norms and beliefs. Complex family structures consist of two or more adults who have significant influence over their family group. In addition to parents, they may include aunts, uncles, or grandparents, of which generally live nearby. This is known as the extended or joint family and is commonly found in Mediterranean and Eastern cultures such as Japan, Russia, Eastern Europe, and Spain. The most basic form of familial construct in Westernized society is the nuclear family. This familial configuration consists of two parents and their children in a singular household and with little intrusion from close or extended relatives. Many sociologists believe that the nuclear family was the product of the industrialization period. Where agriculture prior to industrialization necessitated extended kinship ties to tend land, industrialization saw a separation of work and home, thus reducing the number of members to each individual family unit. However, sociologists disagree on the importance and the function of the nuclear family in society. Functionalists argue that, like all institutions, the nuclear family serves a function for society's operation. Said functions include the socialization of children and maintenance of hygienic households for the healthy population. They argue that the family was not an important institution within society, as many pre-industrial familial functions, such as education, had been transferred to the state. Weber said little on familial structures, treating it as largely unimportant. However, he emphasized the separation of kin groups and households, arguing that the former is an economic and political unit, the latter merely a configuration of individuals in a habitation. Marx also made few references to the structure of the family. However, a Marxist analysis sees the family as a socially constructed institution designed to reproduce capitalism. Nuclear families raise healthy future workers who can obey authority and produce unpaid labor through women's housework. It is this female exploitation which draws feminist criticism. Feminists argue that the nuclear family exploits female labor, forcing women to maintain the household and raise children unpaid. However, once the most common structure, the nuclear family has been in decline since the 70s, evidenced in higher divorce rates and an increase in varying familial structures.
People are moving away from a traditional definition of family, and they're moving towards a modern definition of family.
In the 2011 Australian census, there were 16,000 grandparent families, 23,000 same-sex couples registered as families, and 9,000 foster families with at least one resident foster child. There are a number of causes for this breakaway from tradition. For one, there has been an ideological shift and an acceptance of traditionally unorthodox families deviating from religious ideology, shown in a growing acceptance of homosexual couples. Additionally, since the introduction of female contraception, fertility has been in decline, resulting in fewer marriages after unexpected pregnancies. And with the increasing welfare state and women's participation in the labour market, women have become more able to be independent. Meanwhile, male-dominated industries such as the car and steel industry declined in the Western world, negating the need for tight family units and further allowing women to exit unhappy marriages and become independent.